Consumer surplus is a pretty reasonable way to measure welfare, but it does have some problems. The main problem is that it uses uncompensated demand. So as the price of pizza changes, the demand changes both because of the income effect and the substitution effect. Now, the substitution effect doesn't actually make the consumer worse off. It's only the income effect that's affecting you negatively. Because the substitution effect is moving you to a different bundle along the same indifference curve. So the willingness to pay for the second pizza isn't really the same as the loss of utility that you get from when the price of the pizza goes up. And the reason for that is when you when the price of pizza goes up and you say you go from buying two pizzas to one pizza, it's not necessarily that you're totally losing the utility that you get from the second pizza because you might be substituting to buying beer. And now you get some utility from the beer that you buy with the money that you save from not buying the pizza. So your loss of welfare is dampened a little bit. And so this is not a perfect measure of how much you're affected by this increase to the price. So that's something we have to keep in mind about consumer surplus. And based on that, we're going to define some notions of consumer welfare that use compensated demand. And we'll get to that next.